we're training marketers who are in this bad habit of focusing on the thing that they happen to focus on, right? How to think and behave very differently and create new habits. That's tough, right? But then we have to also connect with business owners and help them create new process. So let's think about this. I can teach my folks, the marketers who are going to reach out to businesses, to go after people who they have to convince and educate, or I can teach my folks to go find evidence that a business is already trying to accomplish what you can help them with, and that you can get them there faster. Which is the better prospect for them? It's the latter, right? And so how do we then engage with those folks? What is the evidence we look for? What is the discussion like that gets them to say, oh, I want this. Where have you been all my life? And that's really what we're focused on. Now, that is an example of the type of strategic approach that we take that most businesses don't, right? They go, all right, well, I got this great thing. There's people who are going to want it. I'm going to go out and convince everybody that it's great and that they should have it. And you waste a lot of time. That is the type of thing that happens a lot in business that we're trying to help fight against.